Hey guys, welcome to Let's Learn ServiceNow. This video is for the beginners who aspire to become a ServiceNow developer. Let me introduce myself first. I am Gabriel. I have totally 6 plus years in IT and 3 plus years as ServiceNow developer. The objective of this channel is to help beginners to learn ServiceNow development easily. The only prerequisite needed is you guys should have at least base knowledge on what is ServiceNow and why organizations are using it. Let's get into the next part. ServiceNow for beginners. As I mentioned, this video is for beginners who aspire to learn ServiceNow development. Here I am going to give a quick guide on where we need to start, how to proceed, important topics to learn as a beginners. First, we need to know the difference between ITIL versus ITSM. ITIL is Information Technology Infrastructure Library. It's like a recipe book for managing IT services. The ITSM is IT Service Management. ITSM is the actual cooking process. And ServiceNow is like a high-tech kitchen that helps you cook efficiently. It's a platform with tools and features to manage IT services according to ITIL principles. In other words, ITIL tells you what to do and ITSM is doing it. Examples: service catalog, incident, problem, change, etc. So yes, where to start? First, we need to create a personal development instance (PDA). For that, we have to create a ServiceNow developer account. Sign up for a free ServiceNow developer account. This will give you access to a personal instance where you can experiment with the platform without affecting any production environments. Start by exploring the basic features and functionalities of the ServiceNow platform in the ServiceNow developer program. I have made a video on how to create the PDA. Refer to the video link attached to the description. Now, how to proceed? First, familiarize yourself with the ServiceNow platform, including concepts such as what is tables, what is records, forms, fields, and then begin with learning the basics of scripting in ServiceNow, particularly server-side scripts and client-side scripts. Focus on simple scripts at the beginning from like form customization, automating tasks, or validating user inputs. Practice regularly on your ServiceNow developer instance for your learning and experiment purpose, and then challenge yourself with the real life scenarios, use cases to apply what you have learned in the practical situations. Stay updated with the latest releases, features, and best practices in ServiceNow development by regularly reviewing the official documentation, release notes, and developer blog. And finally, don't hesitate to seek help from our channel. And yes, these are the important topics to learn as a beginners. Please make a note of it. These are the topics which we are going to see in future. We will be covering all the topics with all the real life use cases, scenarios, and interview perspectives. I'll be for each topic. I'll be attaching the interview questions at the end. Everything will be on the playlist. These Once we learn these things as beginners, then we will move to advanced scripting, so where we will be in learning access control list, data policy, flow designers, integrations, and all. These are some modules in ServiceNow: ITSM, ITBM, ITOM, CSM, HRSD, PPM, etc., in which we will be fully focusing on ITSM modules in our channel. Please stay tuned for next video where we will be getting into the topic service catalog, creation of catalog item, record producer, order guide, content item, along with workflow, catalog client script. We will be seeing basic scripts, catalog UI policies, and interview questions on these topics. Thank you guys. Please do support our videos by subscribing to our channel. See you in next videos.